si Madam Yuki. Nag-harvest siya ng green peas. Bigyan natin siya ng green peas. Kumuha ako ng plastic dahil bigyan natin siya. Yan, nangunguha siya ng ano. She's harvesting this one. Kinakain daw nila sa China. What you call that one in China, sis?
Tonghao.
Tonghao.
How to say the...
Yung marigold, yellow flower.
I will cook for you now.
Ito siya, like this, guys, Oh, ito pa meron isa, Here,
Yes.
take it.
And so delicious because this has its own special smell.
Yeah, it's
We can make a hot pot. This
marigold. Para like marigold, yeah. It become like this, the flower yellow.
When young, like this. What I harvest from Aurora.
Add more.
We eat like this, the young babies.
What you call in China that one?
1, 2.
1, 2. Yeah, forgot. 1, 2. Okay.
1, 2.
1, 2.
Yuki like harvest 2.
Toe. Okay.
Chinese, the bean we call to.
Toe.
If it's yellow bean, we call the huang to.
If
If it's a red bean, we call the hong to.
Hong To.
When
But
you
why you call this one Wong To? It's green.
No, this is not the wang. It's wan
Ah.
to.
When To. Yan, finish?
Yes.
You get enough yan. Enough for you.
Always I come to Aurora, I enjoy it. The garden. Now show them. This is the wang.
But you cannot eat Haida.
Can.
I know, but come here. Haida, they make pee here. The dog. Dirty. Look. We go. Here, Haida. There.
See?
Too much. Haida.
One time my mother-in-law, she loved it.
Nobody knows about this. Ganito, Wild ano.
We make a hot pot.
Yan is soup.
Hot pot. Just
You add
like
with the
this,
soup?
then you eat. Yes.
Okay. Look, this one come and they eat in Lebanon. The flower of this one, parang lemon yung taste niya. Kakainin nila na ganyan, balatan. This one. It will be nice when
Yes.
I do it hard now,
Before they are like this. See how nice?
Thank you.
My favorite color.
Yellow, yeah, I know. Look guys, we found pot, me and Yuki. I used to plant. Oh, maganda ito, This one. Oh, I will tell to Jonah to bring this one. Look Yuki, I can use the wood. Wala. For the pumpkin.
What?
This one, look.
What do you need?
I will put with the pumpkin to climb the pumpkin. In a while you can find too much
Things,
food.
And they are the best one.
Yeah, tomato. I will try to plant now this one. Huh? What's that? Broccoli?
Not broccoli. Looks like, well, I think
It's like
the,
cauliflower.
No, it's the fisher.
Ah, really?
How to say?
Radish?
Yes, the green one.
Look what you found, me and Yuki. We found the treasure. Okay. Move away, Haida.
Okay.
Yuki will cook this one.
Look.
Yung marigold. We call marigold in Philippines. Wild marigold ito.
Very good.
Marigold.
Then we directly put this.
Yan, you can put now even
Yeah.
if... Oh. Yan na enough? Or more?
I think enough. Yeah, put all.
Okay. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. But then, yan, you put in the soup or
No, it's like this.
only like this,
Yeah.
the way you
Yeah,
cook?
eat with rice,
Oh.
not soup.
Yani, you don't put meat, you don't
No,
put fish.
this one usually we don't put meat.
Ah, really? Marigold. Mmm. Nice.
Tell me delicious or no.
Good. Good, very simple, but it's tasty, eh?
Yes. We never put meat this one. Just like this.
Lemon, no?
No.
But it's good.
Very good. It's not good.
Very healthy. Wow.
See?
Look, guys. What do you call Haida in Chinese?
Tong hao.
Tong Hao. Recipe of Yuki, Madam Yuki. Simple, tatatawi
You
it.
guys, if you have this one, must try. Really, it's delicious.
Masetas, oh. Thank you. Yala,
Sit
ta.
down. So delicious.
Take. Mm.
That's really delicious, yes?
You want rice?
But this with rice is amazing.
Really?
Yeah, usually we eat with
You
rice.
know, eat me with me.
I full morning, you see, I before eat.
Yeah, because we eat breakfast in Yuki. But she will just want to show us how
So next time you
to
can
cook.
do by
One,
yourself.
two.
1, 2, kamusta? Kamusta?
Oh, yeah,
It's
yeah,
like
yeah.
Japanese really.
Kumusta? Mahal. Mahal yan. I love.
Oh really? Mahal?
Mahal eh. Mahal love.
Mahal.
What is I love you in Haida?
我爱你.
One. Miss, in Korea, what you call?
사랑해 in Korea.
Sarange eh. Why ne?
我 it's me. 你 is you.
Why
So,
ne?
I is love. So
Okay.
I love you.
Okay. Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
I love you.
This is hard for me. Kamusta it's more easy.
Mahal. Okay, just call mahal.
Mahal. Okay.
One, two.
1,
I
2.
like it, really. P1 also we harvest the small one.
Mm.
But I don't know. I don't have in my garden now.
This because really the taste. In China, this it's you know it's like special in winter this time now. Before a bit, not now you see they start flowering.
Mm.
But before, yes, it's very.
But Haida, they plant also or it's from the
we
tree?
plant.
Ah.
Even we are. This is wired, so it looks a bit small. One piece will become like this.
But how?
But the smell almost the same.
But how you know that this is the one like in China?
They looks like even though and the smell they are the same.
Okay, I don't know.
Mm.
Nice.
Good. Look, I come and I take. Sis Rora is so good.
Look, Haida, the garlic sis.
Ah,
You
they're
see?
strong. Yes.
But not yet, yan eh. Mafi buds. You want like this? Haida.
Yeah.
You have? You have?
No.
Take it.
Several leaves.
For soup, Haida.
Yes. Can you dry, yes?
No need. You can use.
Fresh?
Yeah, you can use it in flesh. Ano, when I cook, I just.
really?
Yeah.
I dry for the...
Dry if you want, but wash first, eh?
Okay.
Ah! Yala, take it.
You too.
Kalas, queen. Careful. Hello guys, good afternoon. So umalis na po ang kaibigan kong si Yuki. At ngayon magluluto po tayo ng pang-lunch natin. Simple lunch para ngayong araw. Luto time na po tayo guys. Ilagay natin dito yung camera. Olive oil. Maraming olive oil. Lagyan po natin ng ganito, yung hinarvest ko sa garden. Yung kanina, nag-harvest din ako. Yan. Nag-uwi din si Yuki. Yung ano guys, green peas. Lagay tayo ng kamatis dito. Ang carrot. Lagyan na natin ang ating cabbage. Saka ito yung green peas. Okay, cover lang natin para maluto siya na steam. Maya natin templahan. Yan. Light sauce. Okay. Lagyan natin ng oyster sauce. Mga spoon lang, konti lang. Okay. Yan. Black pepper. Okay na. Hindi na natin kailangan lagyan ng tubig. Lagyan na natin itong eggs. Lagyan na natin ng spring onion. Galing din ito sa garden. Oh, ikain na ito ng rice. Okay na. Yan na. So, i-cover na natin. Luto na guys. Ito na mga bata. What? Why you remove the jacket, my love? Why you remove mama?
Very hot!
Naku.
Ay, nako! Wow! I don't know what's that, but that looks delicious.
Yes.
What is that?
This is vegetable with egg.
Wow!
Wow! Fifi, result of exam?
No.
Natakain na tayo. Bakit ko daw siniserban ang mga bata sa pagkain? Dito po sa Lebanon, ganun po sila. Kahit si mama, yung biyanan ko, na. Kahit yung biyanan ko guys, kapag kakain kami, siniserban niya ang asawa ko. So parang nature na nila yun. Kaya, ganun din ang ginagawa ko sa mga bata. Okay, yan. Nalagay na natin ang ating sa abroad, ganun ata. Hindi lang naman sa Lebanon. Yung serban nila ang mga anak, pamilya. Yung ganito.
That's eggs, mommy.
Yes.
Looks so delicious. Thank you, mommy. It's really cold. What is this other?
Welcome, my love.
Why so many vegetables?
Yeah. This for Kian Tot. And I will make for me. Ay, na tayo, kain na Yung meal again. Close natin ito.
This is the egg? Yeah.
The beans, Mama.
Eh?
Basala. It's so good.
It was kind of broken and it split in half.
No, because you didn't know how to take it out, man.
It was too soft, the bread, that's why. I had to wash
They
my
call
hands.
eclair, Haida. Pati si siya yan natuwa. Sabi niya gusto niya daw makita yung pusa. You wanna see Ginger? Come. Yan na.
If it's hot air.
Yeah, she's here. Yeah, I have. She's here. She don't want to. Not yet, but
Where'd she go?
I gave her. Hey, where is she? Ah, she's here. So,
Hey, did the gym head out of your cat?
yeah.
Your cat?
Yeah, I bring. No, it's me, baby. It's me. Ate wants to see you.
Hello.
She's searching you yesterday. Touch her. She's good. She's very, very lovely.
Wow! Wait.
Hello po mga kapitbahay. So anyway, mag-update po pala ako about sa nangyari. Last vlog ko yung narinig nating pagsabog dito sa lugar namin. Interceptor missile pala yun, tapos sumabog sa kalangitan and then bumagsak yung debris dito sa lugar namin dito sa Juni. Malapit po sa Harissa, Our Lady of Lebanon. Bumagsak po yun sa isang lumang apartment na bodega ng sugar at saka wheat. According sa mayor nila, kasi na-interview siya sa TV, wala naman daw nasugatan or nasaktan or nadamay. Basta yun lang po yung nasira yung building. I'm happy now. Ginger is back. You see how she is sweet? Tata Ginger. Ha? Okay? Ano pang ibig sabihin mga itong dami niyang ginagawa na hindi ko alam. Buti ang
I'll also take care of her cat.
I don't know if she wants to get it's like Garfield.
Min Haida?
Ginger. Ginger. Nililinis niya ang katawan niya. Bye-bye na Ginger. And see you bukas. Kami lang ng mga bata na naman. Pero katatapos ko lang pakainin ang mga aso. Naririnig nyo yun? Maingay dito sa lugar namin guys. Kanina pa yan paikot-ikot. Ayan. So good night na sa inyong lahat. Update dito sa lugar namin. Dito sa area namin okay naman siya. Kaya lang pag gabi, ganitong oras maingay siya. Yung naririnig namin. Alam nyo, hindi ako masyadong nag-update kasi alam ko naman guys na napapanood nyo ang mga news. Dahil po ay bawal po kuha ng video. For example, mag-re-upload sa mga nangyayari. Bawal po yun sa YouTube. Kaya hindi po ako masyadong nag-update about dito sa nangyayari sa lugar namin dito sa Lebanon. Sa for daily, sa pang-araw-araw na ganun pa rin, walang pagbabago ulit, and God bless you all. Bye guys, mag-ingat po kayo lagi saan man tayo partes ng mundo. Bye guys.